Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. Today's video is a very simple unboxing video of a new product that just hit BMS, and this is the Phenolic Spacer for the B58 manifold. Now, this is a spacer that has been talked about, and it's actually used in many other cars, many other applications. A lot of other companies use them in other motors, and generally this is a well-known modification to help the efficiency of your air intake temperature. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and I'll talk you through it. Alright guys, so here is the packaging. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is it. So here is the spacer. I asked them for longer screws, but this is the spacer essentially, and this is the product that we're concerned about, right? So this spacer, it really looks like it's nothing special, but this spacer makes a big difference when it comes to heat transfer. One of the big things about these billet aluminum manifolds that are starting to come out as upgrades for our cars is that that's exactly what they are. They're billet aluminum, or they're, even cast aluminum. And the problem with that is that metal transfers heat to other metal really easily. Aluminum and aluminum is the same component, so it's going to transfer the heat about the same. Even with a core on your manifold that is cycling cooler temperature water or coolant, you're still going to have some of that heat transfer coming over to the manifold. So these actually help a lot with that. And so some of the benefits include there's going to be an increase in engine efficiency, and basically that's going to be the result from lower IATs. And so lowering the IATs is actually going to allow you to bring in denser air, which is going to reduce detonation and it's going to promote a more efficient combustion. This is also going to reduce the intake manifold temperature overall. This of course is going to come with the O-rings, and this is only about 6 millimeters thick, so it's not too thick, but it's cut to shape. And yeah, I can't wait to put this on and actually see a temperature drop. As of right now, my ITs, they hover around 30 degrees over ambient at any given time. And then of course, if you have something like max cooling on, you can lower that even more. And then with a Phenolic spacer, you can lower it even more. And then if you use water and water wetter, you can lower it even more. So you can have really low temperatures on your intake manifold and thus help your IATs. So this is just one more step that we can take to help reduce the temperature. So I do want to note that this spacer works with any billet manifold out there on the market. I know that I have seen some that are a little bit more specific, and I'm not entirely sure why anybody would design something like that, but this works with absolutely any of them. You can even put it on your OEM manifold if you so choose, even though the OEM manifold's made out of plastic, and so you won't see the heat transfer quite as bad, and it does a good job. But the more efficient we can make our systems, the better. So this is going to go on my car, and we're going to do a little bit of testing and see how it really affects everything overall. I expect to see an IAT drop, and on the next video when I do the installation, after the installation, I'm going to show some graphs, hopefully from logs that show a decrease in temperature. And I'm going to be a little bit thorough just so that I'm not giving you guys false information, because this stuff really does work. This Phenolic spacer style is applicable obviously to these cars, but I've seen them on other cars. I've seen them as part of a carburetor spacer. I mean, you see them everywhere. You just want to have maximum efficiency and the coolest, densest air that you can get, especially when racing. But anyway guys, this is just a brief introduction to this product right here. I know a lot of people probably don't know about this or never heard of this, but this is something that you can do. It's a simple mod, just to help your IATs drop a little bit more. If you like this video, go ahead and click like and subscribe, and I'll see you when we install this. Peace.